Welcome back to The Daily Architect, the podcast where we stop wishing for success and start building it. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're tackling a concept that sounds simple, but is often the greatest stumbling block for people's economic futures: tracking financial goals. We're moving from wishful thinking to financial architecture.
And I'm Dr. Sarah Chen, here to break down the methodology behind that architecture. Thanks for having me, Alex.
It's great to have you, Sarah. Now, let's start with the immediate feeling. Have you ever felt like your money has wings? Like that goal, whether it's buying a house, launching a business, or finally reaching financial independence, just seems to slip away right when you think you're close? I think we've all been there.
Absolutely. And that feeling of slipping away is usually caused by a fundamental confusion. People confuse the wish to achieve a financial goal with the strategic planning required to accomplish it. It's like wanting to sail across the ocean without a map, a compass, or any way to measure the distance you've covered. You're just drifting.
That's a powerful analogy. It brings to mind people like Warren Buffett. He didn't just wish to become a multi-billionaire. He had this iron discipline in tracking key metrics and understanding long-term value. So, Sarah, in this world where the economy feels like an unstable sea, with inflation waves and crisis storms, why is tracking the essential navigation system?
It boils down to a core management principle. What gets measured gets managed. Tracking is essentially the practice of measuring, analyzing, and adjusting progress toward a specific economic target. If your goal is to save $10,000 for an emergency fund, tracking isn't just knowing if you have the money at the end of the month, it's the weekly verification.
Right. It's the check-in.
Exactly. It's determining, are my expenses misaligned this week, or do I need to readjust my savings velocity? If you don't measure, your brain automatically assumes progress is constant, and that's the main source of frustration and goal abandonment. We fall victim to what I call the financial memory fallacy.
Tell us more about that, the memory fallacy.
Most people try to manage their complex modern finances, credit cards, investment accounts, dozens of recurring expenses, mentally. We tell ourselves, I know I spend too much on takeout coffee, I'm going to control myself this month. 3 weeks later, memory fails, emotion takes over, and we revert to old habits. Our memory is simply not designed to manage this level of financial complexity. Tracking tools eliminate that reliance on flawed human memory.
So the tool becomes the objective, unemotional observer.